Oh, we're ready.
We're ready. Okay.
So, and I'm sorry, I forgot your name again?
Okay, my name is April Post,
Okay.
and my husband Grant, his parents lived on this farm for about 25 years.
Oh, got it.
5 years ago, Grant and I moved here. We have been milking cows and dairy since Grant's parents lived here back mid-80s. Yes, right, mid-80s. So what we do basically, we milk cows twice a day. We milk about 170 twice a day. We farm our own land and make our own feed.
Oh, got it.
So basically we raise everything that cows eat except for some things that the feed truck brings. But we do hay, alfalfa, we do that about 3 times during the summer months.
Uh-huh.
We raise corn and soybeans. So a lot of the corn gets chopped into silage and kept for winter.
And the corn and the soybeans are used specifically for a feed for
Right,
the. Okay,
right.
got it.
What we do with the beans is we actually take it to town and haul it to town, and then we actually get it back as soybean meal, which is more ground up and more digestible for cattle.
Got it. And roughly speaking, how many acres is this?
Well, we farm about 300,
300.
and that's alfalfa, corn, and beans. We have some pastures that we use for like dry cows that are not milking at the time. They always have about 3 months where they don't milk at all.
Oh, got it.
3-month vacation pretty much.
Got it.
And then our young stock, which is all females, which are heifers, we have those in the pastures too, some during the summer.
Oh, got it.
But otherwise during the winter, all our cattle are kind of within about a mile here. We can't raise them all here. We don't have enough space. So we raise a bunch over by Grant's parents. They live a mile away. And we have some at Grant's brother too.
Oh, got it. And then, so I think I remember reading my grandfather, Art, he retired around 1980.
Okay.
And is that when your father-in-law then bought the land?
Well, there was a period of time in between there, right, that Van Dams lived here? Yeah.
Oh.
Probably 4 or 5.
Okay.
So it's not that many years.
Okay.
Then I don't remember if Van Dams were renting it from...
Yeah, I think he was, and then Dad decided. I think Marvin decided to move on.
And then Jim
Jim-
directly bought it from
right.
your parents, yeah.
Yeah. he
Oh, got it.
Contract for deed, and then part of it, and then when that was done, they contracted for the second part of it.
Oh, okay.
They contracted that with my mom
Okay, sure.
after my dad passed. So.
Yeah. And so is this where the cattle are over here?
Well, we have some heifers here.
Oh,
These
some
are the
heifers.
younger stock. All our milking cows are in this big barn.
Oh,
You can
gotcha.
really take a walk in there too.
Oh, sure.
So the original barn that was here actually burned down.
Burned down probably in '85. In the
In that area.
in the '80s. Yeah, 'cause I think the farm sale was in 1980 or '81,
Okay.
and then it's probably a couple of years later that was the barn burned. So.
And then it wasn't that long after that that Jim and Sue moved.
Right.
So Jim actually built this barn, but he only built, the original barn is just from this corner. That's the barn he built.
Oh, got it.
Moved here.
Got it. Okay, and then
This
this,
is all newer.
and this is the house you guys are living in now, right?
And,
Oh.
and that's the original house that was here. Jim and Sue added a piece onto the front when they moved here.
Yeah, that's what Susan was mentioning.
It's very much looks
Yeah,
the same.
yeah, it does.
And who's this handsome dog?
That is Buster.
Hi, Buster. So it's only the heifers over there?
Yes.
Oh, got it.
Those huts are for the baby calves.
Yeah. Right over here, these white domes, those are for the baby calves.
Oh, got it.